besties! Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, I'm so happy you're here because today's video is going to change your skin game forever. We're talking all about how to get rid of blackheads and acne at home using super simple DIY masks you can make with kitchen ingredients. Plus, I'll show you the best products you can easily grab from Target, Walmart, or Amazon in the US. No more hiding your skin, no more filters, no more expensive treatments. We're fixing it the real way. So grab your notebook because I'm giving you an entire step-by-step routine. Plus, secret tips that dermatologists don't tell you. Let's glow up that skin starting now. Part 1. What causes blackheads and acne? Let's start with why we get blackheads. And acne blackheads form when your pores get clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, dirt, and bacteria. The pore stays open but looks dark because the air oxidizes the debris inside. Gross. I know. Now acne forms when those clogged pores get infected and inflamed. That's when you get those red, sometimes painful pimples. But here's what's secretly making your blackheads and acne worse. Touching your face all day, not cleansing after workouts, dirty pillowcases, skipping exfoliation, hormonal imbalances, eating too much dairy or sugar. Don't worry though, we're tackling all of this today. Part 2. The ultimate skincare routine to eliminate blackheads and acne. Step 1. Double cleansing. If you wear makeup or sunscreen, you need to double cleanse. 1. First cleanse. Use an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, dirt, and sunscreen. The ordinary Squalane cleanser. Neutrogena Ultralight Cleansing Oil 2. Second cleanse. Use a salicylic acid cleanser to go deep inside the pores and clear out oil. CeraVe SA Cleanser. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Purifying Foaming Gel Massage. Each cleanser in for at least 60 seconds. That's the golden rule. Step 2. Exfoliate 2 tau 3 times a week. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and keeps your pores unclogged. Use chemical exfoliants like Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, iconic for blackhead removal. The ordinary glycolic acid 7% brightens and smooths skin. Apply at night after cleansing. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes here before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Facial steaming. 1-2 times per week. Steaming softens blackheads and opens pores. Boil water and pour it into a bowl. Add a few drops of tea tree oil if you have it for antibacterial benefits. Hover your face over the steam with a towel over your head for 5 to 10 minutes. This step preps your skin for masks or extractions, but don't squeeze your face. We'll do it safely later. Step 4. Clay mask to deep clean pores. Clay masks absorb oil, dirt, and bacteria. DIY clay mask. Recipe. 2 tablespoons bentonite clay or kaolin clay. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon water, if needed to thin it out. Mix until it forms a paste. Apply to problem areas, nose, chin, forehead, for 15 minutes. You'll feel it tightening. That's a good sign. Then rinse off with warm water, or you can use Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, Amazon's bestseller. Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Mask. Step 5. Blackhead extraction. Optional, but carefully. After steaming and masking, you can use a come-down extractor tool, but only if the blackheads are soft and easy to remove. Disinfect the tool first, apply gentle pressure, and never force it. If it doesn't come out, leave it. Step 6. Spot treatment for pimples. For active breakouts, Differin Gel Adapalene fights acne deep in the pore. Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. Dab on pimples before bed. Wake up with reduced inflammation. Step 7. Moisturizing hydration is key. Even oily or acne-prone skin needs it. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream contains ceramides for barrier support. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Super light and won't clog pores. Apply while your skin is still damp to lock in moisture. Step 8. Sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin and prevents acne scars. Best options: Supergoop Unseen, Sunscreen SPF 40, La Roche-Posay, and Thelios SPF 50. Black Girl Sunscreen for a dewy, invisible finish. Part 3. DIY masks you can make in your kitchen. Let's get into some fun and super easy DIY recipes. DIY mask 1. Honey and cinnamon. 1 tablespoon raw honey. 1-2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Honey is antibacterial. Cinnamon is anti-inflammatory. Apply to your face for 10-15 minutes, then rinse. This helps reduce acne and gently unclogs pores. DIY mask 2. Oatmeal, yogurt, and honey. 2 tablespoons ground oats. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon honey. Oats calm the skin. Yogurt exfoliates and honey fights bacteria. Apply for 15-20 minutes, then gently massage before rinsing. DIY mask 3. Turmeric and yogurt. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon honey. This brightens the skin, reduces acne, and evens out texture. Be careful turmeric stains. Use old towels and rinse very well. DIY toner. Green tea and lemon brew a cup of green tea and let it cool. Add a few drops of lemon juice. Apply with a cotton pad as a toner. Green tea is anti-inflammatory, lemon helps with oil control. DIY sugar scrub. 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil or coconut oil. Gently scrub around the nose, chin, and forehead no more than once a week to avoid irritation. Part 4. Lifestyle tips that make a huge difference to keep your skin clear. Change pillowcases every 2-3 days. Wipe your phone screen daily. Keep your hands off your face. Eat less sugar and processed food. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Get 7-8 hours of sleep. Your skin repairs itself overnight. Bonus tip: sleep on your back to prevent dirt transferring from pillows to your face. And that's it, babes. Now you have the ultimate plan to banish blackheads and acne from home with both DIY masks and products you can grab anywhere. If you learned something new, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and tell me in the comments which DIY mask are you going to try first. I'll be replying to your comments, so let's chat. Don't forget to share this with your bestie who needs a skincare refresh. Thanks for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next glow up guide. Bye.